So this time we'll be taking a closer look on how to play open minor chords. And why are we supposed to learn open minor chords? So that they complement all the open major chords that we have learned. In case if you have missed that out, make sure you click on the link below in the description and you will find your way back to the open major chords. And while we're learning minor chords, I will also be helping you all out with the relative major chord. So you will know which minor chord goes best with which major chord. And you guys can sit down and have fun, combine both, and have like a fun jam session with your friends who are learning guitar with you. So let's start off with the first and the most important open minor chord. That's the A minor. So for all those who have seen our previous video, you all can remember the A major chord first, where this was the fretting position. It's easier for you all to convert the major chord into a minor. So what you can do is hold the A major chord, lift your pinky finger, and then place your index on the first fret of the B string. That's your C note. The remaining two fingers are still in the same position. So moving your pinky from your A major and putting it on the C note makes it an A minor chord. So for those who have missed out, you can start off with the A minor chord and eventually go back to the majors, no problem at all. So let's break it down and find a fretting position. Your middle finger is on the second fret of the D string. Right below it, the ring finger on your second fret of the G string. And the index finger goes on the first fret of the B string. That's the C note. If you compare the minor chords to your major, they always sound a little different. Probably you can relate it to being sad or low, whereas major chords always sound bright and chirpy. So always remember that there is a small change where you move your third and convert it into a flat third, flat 3. That is what makes a minor. And if you want to switch to a major chord from an A minor, make sure that you move to a C major. Now let's see how the transition from a C major to an A minor sounds. Lot of fun, right? So it's always important that you find the right balance and switch from major to minor. Play the right minor chords along with your major. It makes your practice a lot more interesting rather than making it sound boring and like a drill. So to make your practice a lot more fun, make sure that you mix your A minor chord with the C major. So one last time, this is your A minor chord. Enjoy.